In an airplane, you travel over thousands something feet into the air without sustaining any sort of explosion of your internal organs due to air compression. You might be wondering how this is. Well, in this video, we're gonna explain how.
Every time you take an airplane to go to your vacation, you'll cruise somewhere around 41,000 feet, well above the peak of Mount Everest.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Joe's Science. That's right, I believe in science. And if that offends you, check this out. Oh, I'm a boogeyman! Oh, you know what? Mike Pence, I'm gonna come to your house and I'm gonna kill you! The reason that planes fly so high is very simple. The higher you go in the atmosphere, the less pressure there is in the air, which means that the plane can go faster because there's less resistance in the air. But planes can sometimes go thousands of miles per hour at a time. So why isn't it that the massive change in pressure kills you immediately? It all starts with the turbine engine that the plane runs on. The turbine engine takes in air, spins it around a fan, and that produces power, pretty much. And we could take some of that air and use it to adjust the pressure in the cabin, couldn't we? Right, but there's an issue there. This is 450 degrees Fahrenheit air. So let's put it into some big air conditioner and just put it in the cabin. But wait, it's not that simple either. Because what if it gets too pressurized? Again, we can't just add more air to fix that. That'll make it worse. So what we'd have is like a little latch at the bottom of the plane, and that opens up. Yep. Okay. Record the wound.
Yeah.
I did this for you.
I don't care what your mother